So now for a pretty simple example, we want to know which graphs below represent functions that are one-to-one. Remember, if it's one-to-one, it means that the inverse, it's so frustrating. One-to-one means that the inverse is also a function. So let's jot that down. So one-to-one means that the inverse is also a function. The inverse is a function too. Okay, so let's look at the first one. We do see this as a function because it does pass the vertical line test. It never crosses a vertical line more than once. But does it pass the horizontal line test? Does it only cross a horizontal line at most once at any point or at any horizontal line? It doesn't. Clearly, it crosses the horizontal line twice. So this is not one-to-one. Not one-to-one. Okay, next, we should see again. Does it pass the horizontal line test? No. So it's not one-to-one. It is a function because it passes the vertical line test, but it's not a one-to-one function. I'm going to write no. I'll write it again. Not one-to-one. How about the next one? Again, this is a function. It does pass the vertical line test. Does it also pass the horizontal line test? Does it ever cross a horizontal line more than once? It will not. And since it does pass the vertical and the horizontal line test, this is a one-to-one function. So that's right. Yes. One-to-one. Next, is this a function? Yes, it passes vertical line test. Does it pass horizontal? Clearly not. So it's not one-to-one. No. Next one, passes vertical, is a function. Does it pass the horizontal? Nope, so it's not a one-to-one function. Finally, passes the vertical line test. Good. The original graph is the graph of a function. Does it pass the horizontal? It's a little bit tricky to see, but it actually does. It never crosses a horizontal line more than once. It does continue to increase here very slowly, but it will always only cross a horizontal line once. So this is a one-to-one function.